absolutely untouched. I thought a lot of people would drop military.
You've designated yourself as a most wanted target.
Nah,
Stay
military was
frosty.
dead.
Your teammate was sent to the Gulag. They'll fight for a chance to redeploy.
I'm your pilot.
Well, I've done nothing but run this entire fucking game. Every vehicle I try to get, I see someone right before I get there.
Oh wait, should I come pick you up?
Not while you have the most wanted. Matt, do you want to drop on this chopper and pick me up? Because I am not having a fun time right now.
Alright. Let's try this round 2.
I'm your pilot.
Alright, I made it this time.
I saw you deploy so early.
You should low-key just loot military.
I was gonna say all these doors are closed. It's pretty much guaranteed not touched.
So am I picking you up or not?
We can loot for now and then meet up with Lucian later.
I mean, I'm coming back towards you. It's probably empty. I doubt anyone's gonna come all the way back here just to get me.
I'll take her up.
I'm just looting the bunkers right now.
Go.
Gas is moving.
I have an armor box.
Huge.
Nice.
I'll fly the thing.
I wonder if we can get a loadout in military before the storm. There's a few recons here too, and scav. I mean, it's just literally everything here.
We have the money
Yeah.
for it, and we're about to get even more money.
Let's just go buy it now.
Did I pick up another most wanted or are we done?
I can pick up a recon. I'm right next to one.
Recon's not gonna do that much since like we're about to have to close anyway.
There's supply runs.
I say while we're at it, let's just do another most wanted, and then we can just
Alright,
chill in the helicopter.
You successfully defended yourself.
so let's go here, Malcolm.
Your
Defenders here to
teammate
pick
has
up the
been
cash.
marked as a high-value target. Keep them secure. This seat's fine.
By the time we need to move from the storm, like we'll be pretty.
I'll fly.
My money is at the buy station.
We don't need it. I'm just gonna pop a UAV.
We need a recce. Send
Oh,
it, fly.
wow.
Friendly loadout drop on the
There
way.
is someone near.
UAV entering the AO.
Yeah.
He could be
Watch out
deploying.
for the helicopter. They might be going to the. No, they're on the floor.
Headed this way.
They might be.
I'll fly.
Nice.
Good UAV though.
I'll take her up.
Yeah, that was huge. I was just like, we're rich. Let me just see what is up.
Be advised, UAV is bingo fuel. RTB for resupply.
feel like-
You guys want to get self?
I got self. I'll drop my money.
Yeah, only one of us can get it.
I can't tell if like.
Here, take it, Matt. Matt, take the self, because you might need it as most wanted.
You guys want me to buy armor plates?
I have one, but I don't know if we need to buy any.
Might as well buy one bundle if we have the money for it.
Okay, yeah.
Bit of body armor here.
Oh
I'll
my
fly
god.
the thing.
I'll give it a go.
Does anyone have any idea how much time is left on the most wanted?
I'll take
I can't see it.
I can't see it.
It's so we got it around 3:45. I can't see it either, but we got approximately 1 minute.
This is dumb. Busting in here.
Anybody need this?
Oh, plate. Alright, storm's coming. I'm actually just not even bothering to loot. I'm just going back before I get caught. It looks somewhat fast, so I'll just get moving.
I'll fly. I'll fly. Hop on.
I'm your wheelman.
You want to just go downtown for now?
Sure.
Or even prison?
Heading in.
Let's see where our loadout is. Let's hang at the edge.
Maybe we can hang out on stadium.
Upper.
Because there might be a lot of people coming in from the edge. Alright, most of should be done any second now.
You successfully defended your teammate.
Yay. Oh, car
There's
below
a
us?
car below me.
They're going to that buy station.
Ooh, I see them.
Got a lot of vehicles here.
Wait, stay still, Matt. I'm getting shots on them. They're running. They're inside.
Hostile.
Hold on, drop headed your way. Enemy cluster
Oh,
strike
shit.
incoming.
Move, move,
Your way
move.
cover.
I'll take the wheel. Regional on care package.
I got a couple shots on them, nothing much.
Get to the new safe zone.
Someone's clustering them, or they tried
No, they
clustering
clustered us. They clustered us. Someone got a loadout up here.
Found an
Ooh,
SMG.
they have a trophy system on that car.
I'm your pilot.
Are they coming towards us?
Nah, they did shoot though.
I'll fly. Hop on.
There's another loadout with ours, we could just camp it.
Yeah.
Or just have like one person go down. Oh! No, never mind. Yeah, we can have like one person go down at a time or something. I don't know.
Mark the target.
Oh, that's
could-
most wanted, I can see him. There's,
Yeah,
there's a team up there with that one.
Hostile.
I can see him. Alright, I'm gonna drop down for my loadout. Or Matt went.
Yeah,
I'm your pilot.
I'll pick up Matt.
I'll fly the thing.
You getting shot at from somewhere? I'm gonna
It's
go
like
and fire if possible.
Back here, back here. Oh, it might be in police station. There's a car there that shouldn't be there.
Heads up. Spotted a vehicle.
Oh, I'm getting shot from that building. There's a sniper in there.
Gas is closing in.
Alright, I think I threw
Oh,
some
shit.
fire.
The other helicopter's shooting at me.
I'll take the wheel.
Alright, they got out of the building.
Oh, let's go! I team wiped them! I switched
Nice.
seats and C4'd them from the helicopter!
That's
What?
insane, bro.
Oh my
Record
god!
that.
I might clip that. That's like a top Call of Duty
Yeah.
play right there. I'm still
That's
getting
really
shot
good.
at.
I've been sighted.
Yeah, the building that I marked, bro. In yellow.
I know, I
That's where
know.
we're getting shot
I'll
from.
get the game. Let's fly.
Shit. I can't find my guns now. Oh.
Enemy UAV overhead.
I'm gonna try sniping him.
Lucian, are you getting in? Lucian,
Go,
I'm
go,
getting
go.
shot at. Lino,
Fuck me.
this helicopter's about to be critical.
Yeah.
Alright, this is still fine. Ah. I can self. I'm selfing. I'm just getting the fuck out of here.
Let's just go downtown. Let's get out of here.
I'll fly the thing.
Let's skedaddle. I'm out of armor too.
Wait, wait, Matt, you're not here?
No.
Send them up.
It's critical, so we're gonna have to, as soon as we get shot, we gotta jump. I'm just gonna get as high as I can. We have a box, right?
Yeah.
Moving up.
Alright,
I mean, let's drop down with Malcolm. I can buy some stuff.
yeah. Go ahead,
I
go
wanted
ahead, jump.
Green
TBD.
plates.
I wanted
I'm getting
TBD,
shot
but I
at.
couldn't.
Drop a little bit of money, I'll get self.
I can drop my money too. Here's my money.
I got it. Just take it back.
Good cash here.
Buy a precision, I'm in a...
You can just take it.
Okay. Alright, let's just get to the rooftop.
This is critical.
Oh,
It's
shit.
critical. Drop. It's gonna explode. Get into this one.
I ran
How many
straight
do we have
inside.
armor plates?
I have 2.
I have 7.
I'm at 2.
Anyone need this?
Ooh.
It might blow up soon.
Oh,
It might blow
yeah,
up. Yep. I panicked when I got hit.
that's fair.
My God.
We got to a good roof. Someone doing recon right at stadium, right where this car
Found
is.
one.
Heads up. Spotted a vehicle.
Oh shit.
Right here.
Location marked. Move up.
I panicked. I was gonna grab my sniper, but then we were getting shot at the loadout.
Yeah,
I
I mean,
just
you
got-
got hit pretty quick.
I just got ghost, yeah.
Here, Lucian.
Don't you only have 7 total?
Gas is inbound. Marking you
You can
safe
see
zone.
what I'm
Whoop.
It's that blue roof.
Yeah, there's 2 of them up there.
I just hear the bullets whiz by. Holy shit, Malcolm, how'd you get down?
I went down to see if I could find armor, but it was looted already.
Copy that.
Anyone need this?
Part of me just wants to grab a bounty and go.
Mark the target.
He's really far.
Contact.
Ooh, helicopter?
Wow, I hit him! Wow, that was insane.
I got shots on their armor.
Gas is closing in. Moving up.
I'll check round here.
Alright, I'm just covering the elevator.
There's people on this roof.
Location marked. Move up.
That roof.
Over there. Let's go. Yeah, cancel that.
I just realized I haven't checked heartbeat the whole game.
Trying to like shoot me with an assault rifle.
I'm so hype I got that. I thought I was gonna blow myself up because my helicopter was just free falling so fast into theirs, and I just blew up the C4.
I'm taking people's armors in the blue building.
Here.
Moving up
Yeah,
there.
which means they have armor on. They've stopped popping out. They were like slowly, or like every now and then they were popping their head. Oh, now they did again. It's cool though. I had no armor. Thank you.
Heads up. Spotted
Yeah,
a vehicle.
I'm not armoring up until we have to.
Exactly.
Yeah.
That's
Enemy UAV overhead.
You know they want to come up the stairs.
fuck me.
Oh, heartbeat south. 14 meters.
Alright, I'm gonna armor up and stop sniping.
No. Oh, he's dropping, I think, because he's gone now.
Yeah. But I got the hostile dropping in the area message. Yeah, he's on
Oh.
top of us.
Yep, two. I see two to our west. 23 meters to our west.
Yeah.
Would anyone be opposed to me throwing an armor box?
I would not be opposed, I'm a 0.
I have 5, but yeah, sure.
Yeah. Drop all your armor then, and I'll throw the box. I can hold 8.
Good shit. Appreciate it.
We should have 5 extra here, yeah.
I see people in stadium.
Target right here. Gas is closing in. Relocating the safe
I
zone.
downed one of them. Holy shit. That one. Oh, and his team can go save him, or try to.
Oh.
Oh, he's gonna save him. Fuck.
Lucian, do you have any sniper ammo?
Yeah, I should. I just have like 8. But
Yeah.
I got
Ooh.
him again.
Where at?
There, but if you're just gonna get saved again, the teammates are going to save him.
Okay, got it.
That's so funny, I keep downing him. Yeah, they're gone. Ooh. Lucian, do you have any sniper ammo?
I just gave it all to Matt.
Yeah.
Inbound.
Oh,
Yeah.
gotcha.
How many
I'm
bullets
at
do you have?
0.
Moving.
Thank you.
I have 9 and 5.
I have 7 and 6.
Us.
Oh,
I see one there.
Hostile. Mark. Move up. Target right
Down.
Did we rush?
We should have done that earlier if we wanted to. They're still fighting though. We can go. Oh, is that you dropping though? Where is he? Oh, one of them just went in there.
Moving now.
Oh, what the fuck?
Taking fire.
From fucking where?
I don't know.
It's gotta be
It's like
another
they're sniping
rooftop.
from further back.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Oh damn, I didn't realize the circle was this small and we're pretty fucking centric.
Yeah.
I'm gonna stop fucking around a little bit.
Alright, I did my... You're gonna hate... Malcolm, you're gonna hate me, but I'm doing my trick. But this way I'll know if anyone runs up the stairs.
Oh, nice.
What's his trick?
Come see for yourself.
Gulag's locked down. Area's clear.
Money bait and a C4 right under the money.
Marking new safe zone.
Wait, I saw a video of someone
Hostile
painted a
dropping into
picture
the
of a
area.
guy
Watch
with
the
a gun.
skies.
Oh yes, that's the one Malcolm said.
Yeah.
Loadout drop headed your
Someone
way.
dropping...
Like the
Oh, yeah, that was really funny.
He get... Oh, he's right in front of us.
There's
Oh,
still,
that's you, Matt. Oh, I got so scared.
There's still people on the blue roof, and I got someone on heartbeat, like right below us. I'm gonna go watch the elevator.
Oh, they're in our building.
Yeah, exactly.
I saw the red dots.
I think the one I had on heartbeat walked in, and someone with cold-blooded was waiting for them.
No, I still have 2 on Heartbeat East.
Someone just died in our building.
Yeah.
Gas is inbound.
There's still a decent amount of teams left.
camping downstairs.
Yeah. Oh,
Ooh.
Roger. Understood.
take him out. They're fighting downstairs.
Yeah, again.
I think they're
There's
running
probably a lot
into the building. Ooh, people from the blue roof are jumping.
Guys, there's probably a lot of loot downstairs. We want to go try to third party or something. Oh, someone take the elevator! Someone take the elevator!
25 remain. Solid work.
Wow, as soon as I move.
We got him though, but
Yeah.
that was terrifying. I was like, that's none of your skins.
Alright, he definitely warned his teammate.
Yeah, he said something. I couldn't understand him. But yeah,
They're still
at
the
least
most wanted in our building.
I got full ammo thanks to that though.
Same.
Ooh,
I was
actually,
running
Gas
low.
is closing in.
is there any
Relocating the
extra
safe
down
zone.
there?
Yeah, there's still.
It's upstairs. It's upstairs. But yeah. AR was the big one.
Thanks.
Yeah. I'm gonna go snipe. I know it's a little irresponsible, but
I'm walking down the
I
stairs.
feel like there's way fewer roofs right now. Still people fighting below us, obviously. What roof do we want to go to, actually? Let's think of this. We can probably go to a roof right now because of everything.
Roger. I'm
We
with
that one.
ping the same one.
This one gives us a little more room, though, to move around, the yellow one. Like, I feel like it's more likely to be in one of the circles.
Yeah, I like the yellow one. Oh, I see people running by our loadout.
Hostiles in the
Yeah.
area. X-ray.
I downed him.
One corner.
I downed that same guy.
Good shit, good shit. Where's the teammates coming?
Hostile.
Took teammate corner, took teammate corner.
I downed team wipe. Alright, ready to jump?
Good shit. Yeah, ready to jump. Yes, sir.
Getting shot at.
Yep.
Ooh.
Maybe we jumped too early, I don't know.
Nope, I'm dead.
I think.
You're all that's left. Get it.
I don't know. I made it.
Maybe we should have jumped at the literal same time, but whatever. Lucia's in a great spot, though.
Gas is closing.
Oh,
in.
yes.
Get to the new safe zone.
We died for Lucian. Roger, just play passive. Don't even have people know you're up here. I'd say, and save bullets.
A whole team.
That's the team that killed us.
I don't even know where they were, because they weren't like on the roof.
They were underneath our building, like.
Yeah,
right
so maybe
here.
we jumped too early or something. I
Gas
don't know.
is inbound.
We should have jumped with the storm, so that way people didn't have a chance to look up.
Yeah, exactly. I didn't even.
To the left. Keep
Like,
it
The storm was like close behind us, but I don't know.
Hey, with Lucian's position, we have still pretty decent odds.
Yeah. 3 teams.
It's just this full team is an issue.
3 teams, 6 people. Yeah. Yeah, get some C4 out.
Yeah, also do whatever you want.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna say anything because I'm dead. Nice.
I have to be somewhat aggressive because I can't just be the 1-on-3.
Right.
There is a buy station here.
There's no money though.
I'm just trying to see for you, I
Gas
think.
is moving in. New
Oh,
safe
nice.
zone
You can stay on the roof for so long.
4 targets remaining. Good work.
It's all teams of 1, so
Gas is
two,
closing in.
it's 1v1v1.
Good to know.
Nice. 1 left. Is he on heartbeat? Ooh, interesting. Yeah, you can stay here till like almost the end.
I hear him.
Oh, I hear him. What the fuck, yeah? Oh, he's below you.
Got gas inbound. Safe zone.
Good shit, let's go!
Good work.
Finally. What a way to start.
That's
This is
hot.
definitely a
That's
clip
hot.
game. A hot start. Took a few days off and comes back and get a dub.
Yeah, that's great.
I'm happy one of us was
Yep, good game.